Hello, what's up guys, it's Majula here, and today we're gonna be checking out some oddly satisfying videos with no music. So let's go. Okay, we have, I don't know, a ring. Okay, looks satisfying. Okay, spaghetti. Okay. Ice cream? Or something like ice cream? Damn, melting okay. Watch out for your fingers though. Watch out for your fingers. Oh, this one looks nice. This one looks nice. Looks like honey. Looks like honey. Okay. Cutting the pieces. It looks nice. Okay. Hot metal. Okay. Okay, hot metal ball falling into something like juice or oil, something like that. Can explode? No. The balls falling down. Cleaning the fish. Squeaky clean. Okay. Nice. It's like food to me. I don't know why it looks like food. Okay. Break, break, break. Break it, break it, break it. They're breaking it, okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is the video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Comment down below which part you like the most. And see you guys later.